Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover an airdrop where you only need to do one task in order to participate. So this is going to be super quickly. And this guy in the thumbnail, this is Tyson Fury. This is a boxing champion and he's part of this project as a partner. So like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about this project, and then we are going to go to the step-by-step on how you can participate on this project. This time it's only one task, so we are going to cover that in detail. And before we begin, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, Foxify is a one task airdrop and this is going to end in June 33. According to what I saw, actually it's June 30, so you still have a couple of days to participate. Foxify is a first of its kind decentralized trading platform offering peer-to-peer options and perpetual trading, built on the Arbitrum blockchain and launching in partnership with Tyson Fury. If you don't know who this guy is, you need to check it. He's one of the champion boxing. So this guy partnered with this project in order to launch this protocol. And one cool thing about this project is that the team is public. We are not used to that anymore. A couple of years ago in crypto, all the projects will have a team section and you will be confident about that. Right now it's not the common standard, but for Foxify you can go to meet the team and you actually are going to see here all the people that is involved in the project. The CEO, Danny Wynn, you just can click here on the LinkedIn account and you are going to see all the experience of the current CEO of Foxify. So you can see everything that he has been working before and you can check all the team here. I think this is a great point because when the team is public, usually it's not a scam project because they are showing themselves there into the crypto space. So I think this is a great point of confidence. The Twitter account has 26,000 followers already and you can see all the information on the pre-launch of this project. The homepage and the documentation has very interesting information. One of the things is the roadmap to launch, and you can see that we are very near the launch platform and the token. So this should happen between 20 and 30, and apparently it's going to be the 23. Another thing that you can check is the token distribution on the information of the docs. So 28% is investors, private VCs, team 7.5%, operational is a 2.5%. And this is the kind of real, which is 61.3. This is non-circulation. So I'm not exactly sure what that means, but you can see that the initial supply is going to be 56.25 million. And one cool thing is that all pre-launch tokens are vested over a minimum of 12 months. So you don't need to worry when this project launch that investors and everyone is going to sell tokens. They cannot because you have this vesting period. So guys, to participate to this airdrop is really easy, and if you want to see more airdrops that you can participate, go to cryptocurrencystate.net/videos and you can check everything that I have been covering from the last days there. You have Zksync, of course, a lot of tips here to get a big airdrop. Kashmir, I have been covering MetaTime, Mufex, Core Blockchain, Polygon, ZKABM, a lot of altcoins that are appearing in the crypto space with the possibility of an airdrop. You are going to find it here. If you know a name, you can search it here. Probably I already covered it. So for this airdrop, the first step and the second step is follow them on Twitter and Discord. And I know that I say this is only one task airdrop, but in fact, these two, follow them on Twitter and Discord, are part of the only task that you have. The only task that you have to do is complete the CLI. They have been transparent that this step 3 is showing to the CLI and complete the task. You just click there. You are going to be redirected here. And here you need to click on start here, complete that. And then to enable everything, you need to go and join the Discord. This is mandatory for you to start being able to do many of the tasks on the CLI. So join the Foxify Discord server, and there is not much there. You only need to verify your account and you are going to be done, and you have only the links here. There's no chat available to do, so only do that. And when you join here, you are going to see also that there are not many members. So that gives you a hint that not many people is participating right now on all these CLI tasks. I'm not sure how much is going to be the airdrop, but if a few people only is participating and the project has some fun, at least you can see that because they have a champion boxing on the partners. Maybe there could be some money to make done here, guys. So I'm not sure again how much money is going to be this possible airdrop. But the cool thing is that you only need to complete this task and you are going to know about this very soon. It's not like Zksync that this could happen in a couple of months. You can go to the leaderboard and you can see that here says that ends on June 20. So you have time until there. Go to the CLI, do the quest. More of them are easy, relating to onboarding, inviting friends, tweet and react to the different social medias. You can get a lot of experience points just subscribing and giving a like to some YouTube video from them. And it's pretty standard. And actually there are not a ton of things to do. So that is making it really easy to do. If you are subscribed to my application, then you can already go there and apply to this airdrop in one click. It's going to be super easy for you. If this is your first time here, go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions or link in the description, and you could join to my private Discord channel there and also get my application in the subscription. Here you have 2 videos on how my app works, so you can see it before getting the subscription, so there will be no surprises for you. My app is a game changer if you are wanting to do airdrops. I used my app for Arbitrum. I did it in 12 wallets and was enough to make thousands of dollars on those airdrops. So this subscription is really cheap. I'm going to increase the prices during June. So please join soon so you don't get out on the best tool and the best Discord to get free money on airdrops. Guys, that is all for this video or Foxify. Remember, this is a one task airdrop. This ends on June 20, specifically on CLI. And around June 23 we can expect the launch on this protocol. For more information you can go to the tree, and in the tree you can see, for example, that says join the Foxify airdrop, and this is going to send you to the CLI page. So you can see that they are already calling in the airdrop. The only task that you need to do is complete the task on CLI. Guys, that is all for this video. Only one task to get this airdrop. Tyson Fury also is part and partner of this project, so we are going to check it really soon and see how much we get on this airdrop. Before we leave, remember to follow me at CryptoState in Twitter, where I post more things about airdrops there. And please like the video so you help me to increase the community on the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye.